To our esteemed principal, Miss Shin, to our wonderful teachers, to my understanding advisor, Miss Sheila, parents, friends, guests, and fellow graduates, good day to you all. On behalf of the graduating preschool students from the year 2023 to 2024, we express our gratitude for this very memorable event, our graduation day. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate my classmates because we have reached this moving up ceremony despite being scolded many times for our misstep in the classroom. We still managed to finish our writing and reading task. To our teachers, thank you for teaching us so much that we can use as we grow up. Thank you for always being there to guide us every day. To our beloved school, the Blessed Mother Academy, thank you for all the knowledge. To the parents of my classmates, to Mommy, Daddy, and Mama, thank you because even though we are mischievous and often stubborn, you still always teach us to be good children. It's not just us who deserve stars and medals. You deserve them too. As we conclude preschool, I would like to give a simple message to my friends. Do not be afraid to dream big and continue your studies. Do not be afraid to dream big and continue your studies. Let's continue to pursue our dreams